The beginner's crucible of upcycling is the space where caution and imagination meet, where safety first becomes the foundation that allows creativity to flourish without fear. For anyone stepping into the world of reclaimed materials, the early stages can feel both exciting and intimidating, because scrap wood, salvaged metal, and old car parts carry not only potential, but also hidden risks. Nails embedded beneath weathered surfaces, sharp edges left by years of use, rusted metal weakened by time, or heavy components that shift unexpectedly all demand respect and awareness. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Learning to approach these materials thoughtfully is the first act of craftsmanship, because true creativity can only thrive when the maker feels secure and confident in their environment. Safety in upcycling is not about limiting expression. It is about creating the conditions in which experimentation, discovery, and bold ideas can unfold without harm. Working with reclaimed wood, for example, requires a heightened level of attentiveness because no two pieces are ever the same. Old boards may contain hidden fasteners, hairline cracks, or internal weaknesses that are invisible at first glance. Developing the habit of inspecting each piece slowly, running hands along the surface, and listening to the sound of the wood when tapped becomes part of the creative ritual. Tools, too, must be handled with intention, especially when the material behaves unpredictably. Sharp blades and well-maintained equipment are essential not just for clean results, but for control, allowing the maker to guide the cut rather than force it. As confidence grows, the beginner learns that respecting the tool and the material creates a rhythm, one where precision and safety work together, turning initial nervousness into focused calm. Metal and automotive scraps introduce a different kind of challenge, one that demands both physical awareness and spatial understanding. Old car parts can be heavy, awkwardly shaped, and coated with residues from their former life, making secure handling essential. Stabilizing these components before working on them is not simply a precaution, but a necessity, ensuring that cutting, grinding, or reshaping can be done deliberately rather than reactively. Over time, beginners come to understand that safety is an active process, not a checklist to rush through. It is present in how a piece is lifted, how a workspace is organized, and how attention is maintained throughout the project. This mindfulness creates a sense of control that transforms anxiety into trust, allowing the maker to focus fully on the creative possibilities ahead. Once safety becomes second nature, something remarkable happens. Creativity expands rather than contracts. Freed from the constant worry of injury or mistakes, the beginner's mind opens to the expressive potential hidden within salvaged materials. Scrap wood begins to suggest shelves, frames, or sculptural forms, its knots and grain patterns becoming design features rather than obstacles. Metal offcuts and mechanical components reveal unexpected elegance in their curves, holes, and patinas, inspiring ideas for lighting, wall art, or functional decor. The transition from cautious handling to creative exploration is gradual but profound, marking the moment when upcycling shifts from a technical challenge to an artistic practice. Safety, once perceived as a barrier, becomes the quiet support system that allows imagination to roam freely. This balance between protection and play is especially important for beginners because early experiences shape long-term habits and confidence. When newcomers learn that working safely does not diminish the joy of making, they are more likely to persist, experiment, and refine their skills. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Each completed project reinforces the idea that thoughtful preparation leads to satisfying outcomes, building a sense of competence that fuels further exploration. Over time, this confidence encourages bolder ideas, such as combining materials or tackling more complex forms, always grounded in an understanding of how to work responsibly. The result is a creative practice that grows organically, supported by awareness rather than constrained by fear. The beauty of upcycling lies in its ability to transform not only materials, but also mindsets. Beginners often arrive with the belief that creativity requires perfect tools or pristine supplies, yet reclaimed materials challenge this assumption immediately. Scrap wood and metal demand adaptability, inviting makers to respond to what is present rather than what was planned. Safety awareness enhances this adaptability by encouraging careful observation and deliberate action, skills that translate directly into stronger design decisions. When a maker pauses to secure a piece properly or adjust their approach, they are also pausing to listen to the material, discovering new possibilities within its limitations. This dialogue between caution and curiosity becomes the heart of creative growth. As projects evolve, the focus naturally shifts toward transformation and storytelling. Salvaged items carry histories that add depth to the finished decor, and working with them safely ensures those stories can be honored rather than rushed. An old plank might become a minimalist wall shelf that still bears the marks of its past, while a piece of automotive metal could be reshaped into a sculptural accent that hints at motion and strength. Each transformation is a testament to the maker's ability to see beyond surface wear and imagine new roles for old forms. Safety ensures that this imaginative leap is supported by solid craftsmanship, resulting in pieces that are not only visually compelling, but structurally sound and enduring. For beginners, this process also fosters a deeper connection to sustainability. Handling reclaimed materials with care reinforces the idea that these resources are valuable and worthy of respect. Rather than disposable objects, they become collaborators in the creative process, each demanding attention and consideration. This perspective encourages a slower, more intentional approach to making, one that aligns with broader values of environmental responsibility and mindful consumption. The finished decor reflects this ethos, offering not just aesthetic appeal, but a sense of integrity that resonates with those who seek meaningful objects for their homes. Ultimately, the beginner's crucible of upcycling teaches that safety and creativity are not opposing forces, but complementary partners. By prioritizing safe practices when working with reclaimed wood, metal, and automotive parts, beginners create a stable foundation from which bold ideas can emerge. This foundation supports experimentation, encourages learning, and builds confidence, allowing creativity to unfold naturally and sustainably. Each project becomes a lesson in balance, showing that when caution is embraced rather than avoided, it empowers makers to push boundaries thoughtfully. In this way, upcycling becomes more than a craft. It becomes a practice of awareness and imagination, transforming salvaged materials into inspiring home decor while shaping the maker into someone who values both safety and beauty in equal measure. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.